Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first knife in CS2. Your journey to owning a coveted blade begins with understanding the various paths available. We will delve into opening weapon cases, which offers an element of chance, alongside exploring the more direct methods like trading and using reputable online marketplaces. Preparing yourself with this knowledge will certainly set you up for success, allowing you to choose the best strategy for your own collection goals. Opening weapon cases is undoubtedly one of the most exciting, yet statistically challenging, ways to get your first knife. Every case requires a key, usually costing about $2.50 each. Be aware, the probability of unboxing a rare special item, such as a knife, is quite low, specifically around 0.26%. While it is incredibly thrilling, this method should be approached with a clear understanding of the odds. For a more guaranteed path to your first knife, consider exploring various marketplaces. The Steam Community Market is a secure option for direct purchases, offering transparency and protection. Many reputable third-party sites also provide excellent deals and a much broader selection. Always research and confirm the legitimacy of any external platform before committing to a trade or purchase, ensuring a safe experience. Deciding on a clear budget is crucial before embarking on your knife hunt. Take time to research current market prices. Values can range significantly from tens to hundreds of dollars, depending on the specific skin and its wear. Patience is truly a virtue here. Waiting for good deals or slowly saving up will often lead to the best outcomes. Enjoy the process of acquiring this exciting addition to your inventory, enhancing your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.